Hello mga kalabli, good morning. It's Wednesday, so it's so cold. So there's extreme cold today. So we are preparing lugaw. Lugaw or chicken arroz caldo. Ayan guys. So we are preparing chicken arroz caldo. So beat the cold for chicken arroz caldo. It's gonna be ready at 7 o'clock in the morning. So ayan guys. So, for today's video, gawa tayo ng lechon kawali. So, inilaga muna ang liempo with asin, paminta, at kung ano-ano pa. Ayan, guys. Ito guys, malapit nang maluto ang ating lugaw or arroz caldo. Itlog na lang ang kulang. Yum, yum, yum! Guys, good morning. So for today's video, i-flex ko lang ang arroz caldo or lugaw, whatever. So kain tayo guys. Perfect ito sa malamig na panahon ngayon. It's -30 here in Cambridge, Ontario. Oh. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. May kasama pa itong itlog guys. Kaso wala akong itlog ngayon. Pero may itlog itong kasama. Guys, so ayan, sobrang lamig ngayon. So pag lumabas ako, basa yung buhok ko. Ito ako sa therapy. Mag-yellow to. Basa yung buhok ko. Proven ko na yan. Ayan, so therapy time. Then later is Cairo. Ayan guys. Simula na siyang tumigas. Ay. Therapy. Ayan o. Tumigas na yung buhok ko. Gawa sa malamig. (10:30) schedule ko. So, morning.
Yeah, please. As much.
What you got?
I don't know.
Credit card.
I don't know.
Credit card.
It's not credit card. I will check.
Check it. Wala points.
Points lang. Points.
Saints card. Hala ko credit card eh. Para gamitin na natin.